Ever worried your car seats are slowly losing their style and protection? Today, I'm revealing the best Coverado seat covers that are changing the game with ultimate comfort and durability. You won't believe the features and the insane deals waiting for you. Stick around, because I'm showing the top 5 picks you can grab today. And yes, discount links are waiting in the description. Let's start. Number 5. Coverado Universal Seat Covers deliver premium style and protection for your car interior. Crafted from luxurious waterproof Nappa leather, this full set fits 5 seats, including head pillows, and is compatible with most sedans, SUVs, trucks, and pickups. Designed with 3D modeling for a modern look, these covers shield your seats from spills, stains, pet hair, and UV damage, while remaining breathable and soft to touch. Easy installation preserves airbags, seat belts, and adjustments. With multiple color options and durable construction, Coverado adds luxury, comfort, and lasting protection to your ride. Perfect for USA drivers seeking style and functionality. Number 4. Coverado full-set F-150 seat covers are a game-changer for 2015 to 2026 Ford F-150 and 2017 to 2026 F-250, F-350, F-450 crew cab owners looking for ultimate protection and style. Made from premium waterproof faux leather, these full-coverage seat covers feature breathable, wear-resistant material with high-resilience foam for maximum comfort. Custom fit for a seamless look. They support airbags, adjustable headrests, and baby seats while ensuring easy installation and cleaning. Offering 360-degree protection from spills, scratches, UV rays, and pet hair, they add luxury, durability, and lasting value to your truck interior. Number 3. Coverado Seat Covers deliver premium style and protection for your vehicle with their full-set design, including front and rear covers crafted from luxurious, smooth faux leather and high-resilient foam padding for superior comfort. These waterproof, dust, and fading-resistant seat protectors ensure long-lasting durability while retaining all original seat functions, including airbags and seat belts. Installation is simple with secure hooks, chucks, and adjustable Velcro. With a universal fit for over 99% of cars and multiple color options, Coverado combines elegance, practicality, and safety. Perfect for enhancing any car interior instantly. Number 2. Coverado Chevy Silverado Seat Covers Full Set delivers premium protection and style for your truck. Crafted from high-quality faux leather with soft, breathable, and resilient foam padding, these covers offer superior comfort while safeguarding your 2014 to 2018 1500 or 2015 to 2019 2500 HD, 3500 HD Silverado and GMC Sierra Crew and double extended cab interiors. With full coverage, airbag compatibility, non-slip backing, and easy clip and hook installation, they ensure durability, safety, and a modern look. This set includes front and rear covers, plus an installation guide, so check the link in the description below. Number 1. Coverado front and back seat covers 5 pieces deliver luxury and protection for your vehicle with high-grade Nappa leather. This full set includes 2 front seat covers with head pillows and 3 rear covers, offering a universal fit for most sedans, SUVs, trucks, and pickups. Waterproof, stain-resistant, and UV-protected, they guard against spills, pet hair, and fading while maintaining airbag and seat belt functionality. Easy to install, stylish, breathable, and comfortable, these covers upgrade your ride instantly. Enjoy durable premium car protection, so check the link in the description below.